You need to open the app Capcut and select the video that you want to improve the quality. Now you need to search for the B and W sketch under comic effect, and then you have to put it on. Align the effect to the main video and then adjust the sharpen to 100% of the main video to strengthen the lines. Now you need to add another effect that is blur under basic. Be sure to align all effects to the main video and then export it. Then go back to the project and replace the B and W sketch effect to the neon. Be sure that all effects are aligned to the main video and then export again. Then go back to the project and delete all effects and add the layers. Put on the two layers in that order and go back. Then add the splice boom to 40 and the splice dodge to 54 or 5. Go back and to adjust, and you can use the effects you want, in this case brightness or contrast and saturation. You need to put on all the effects you want, and then you can go back. So you can go to sharpen and brilliance or highlights and shadows. That's all for the effect of your video. Then go back, select the quality and go to exporting. Then you can go and see the video.